Today we're going to show you how easy it is to mount an LP1 license plate LED bar from OZZ lights together with XBB dongle and power unit. My name is Björn and I'm going to guide you through this easy installation step by step. Start by remove the old license plate holder. Clean the surface and mount the adjustment screws, nut, spring and rubber bush. Connect cables to the DT connector and make sure that the right color match with the adapter. Connect the power unit relay to the cable kit. Connect the dongle to the OBD inside the car. Connect the dongle in the app. Choose the recipe for your car. Pair the power unit by press settings and choose high beam.